Alright, so today in Scrapbooking with Lexie, we're going to be doing Zayn's birth vlog. This is so overdue. I actually was supposed to start this like 4 months ago. He is 4 months old. He just turned 4 months yesterday. But I'm going to start off by cutting all the pictures in half. I printed these out at CVS. They're 4x6s with 2 pictures on each. They were only 32 cents a page. And I always go to CVS to print out my pictures unless I take them with my Polaroid or get them done professionally. So for his umbilical cord, this might sound nasty to some people, but whatever. I actually just cut out a little piece from the glue gun and I stuck it in there and glued it down. And I know some people are like, ew, why would you keep that? But it's important to me, so I don't care. And I'm just gonna take out all the little packages of stickers so I can get everything ready to start putting it in place. Now for my hospital bands, I actually just clipped the ends to make them straight and make them a little shorter so they could fit on the page better. And now I'm just going to go in and start laying down my title, and it says sweet baby boy for my son that was born, of course. So I'm just going to cut that out, the plastic, because the bottom letters were actually single instead of like the whole word in one, like the sweet. So I didn't want to like pull each letter off, so I kind of just cut the plastic and set it where I want it to be sat, and I put this cute little mustache on there. Now I'm just going to start looking through the pictures, seeing which ones I wanted. And that one, if you're wondering what those little balls are on the bottom picture, Zayn was actually born with 2 extra fingers on each hand. What they did was they actually tied a little string around each one of those little extra fingers. It didn't hurt him at all, by the way. It was completely harmless and humane. But they just tied him off until the little fingers turned blue and then they fell off on their own, which is pretty weird. But then they just sewed the rest of his finger up and he wore these little bandages on his little pinkies. And now I'm actually just going through putting all the pictures where I want them to be. My hospital band, his little tiny hospital band. And I thought the page looked a little plain, so you're gonna see me in a second. I'm actually gonna make a border for each one of the pictures. Alright, so I just clipped my hospital band because it was a little too long. And now I'm actually going to take a little pin that goes on your shirts that was from my baby shower. And I'm going to be cutting the picture into a circle. Well, first I cut it into like an octagon, but I went back later and cut it into a circle. And I'm just going to pop off the little pin so I can glue it down. And I'm going to be placing my picture on top of that. And now I'm just going through and clipping all my extra pictures, making sure that everything fits perfectly on the page. I don't want any of the pictures to be too big. Okay, so I thought the pictures looked a little bit plain on the page, so I'm actually just going to take some plain white paper and cut around the pictures, making a little border, and then I'm going to go back in and glue them down with the glue gun. Then just trim any excess paper you have, make sure everything looks even. And I'm going to do the same with the circle picture, and I'm actually going to glue that onto the ribbon. And I took the little mustache that I had next to the title and replaced it with the elephant, and I thought it would be cute if I stuck it on the little ribbon picture. And now I'm just going to go through and rearrange everything, and I'm just going to be kind of swapping pictures out, seeing where I want everything to be laid out before I go in and glue everything down. I'm going to reach into my sticker pack and start sticking down some stickers that I think would be cute and that correspond with the pictures. This one actually says eat, sleep, play, but I thought it would be better if it said eat, sleep, hungry, since he is eating in the picture. So I'm just going to replace that, stick that on top, and then put it back in place. And then I'm going to take the sticker, it says just born, I'm going to stick that on top. And then I'm going to be pulling up the one that says sound asleep, and I'm going to stick that underneath the picture of Kendrick and him asleep. And also with the date, I ended up sticking the date sticker underneath this sticker that says you are our greatest blessing. Alright, now to finish everything off, I'm just going to take a couple stickers that I got from this pack. It has a foot, a bottle, and a little rattle, and I'm just going to stick those around the page wherever it looks a little bit empty, and the same with these little heart stickers. Now that everything is exactly where I want it, I'm going to go through and glue everything down, the title, the wristbands, and all of the stickers. Now you're going to notice that I rearranged a little bit as I went. It's all personal preference, so just mix it however you want it to be set up. And now I'm just going to go in and put the date he was born. It was September 2nd of this past year now. And this is the final page, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be uploading episode 3 pretty soon, so just be on the lookout. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave me a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye!